Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Necesse game for free with the Steam launcher on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store and in search the store search for the game Necesse and then click on it. Scroll down and here you can see play Necesse, play for free until 3rd of August. And here you will see play game button. So click on play game button. And here you can see the game and the file size is 499.71 MB. So click on install and then go to library, and here you can see that game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same step you can also download and install the Necesse game for free via the Steam launcher on PC, and you can play this game for free until 3rd of August. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.